Good morning, children. This is Hemlata and welcome to class 7 IIT Physics online class. So children, what we discussed in the last class, we were discussing about the vectors. Is it, no, children? Vectors are what? The quantities which is having magnitude, unit and direction, like velocity, displacement, acceleration. All these quantities are known as vectors. In this chapter, the second chapter, we are studying the second chapter, that is vectors and forces. In this chapter, we mostly focus on vectors. Clear, children? So in the last class, we studied about some basics of the vectors. Is it? So let's just review it. Parallel vectors we studied now. Parallel arrows. Is it? What is that? See, two vectors. This is a vector A, suppose, and this is a vector B. Two vectors are there. If both are having same magnitude, suppose this is 3 centimeter and this is also 3 centimeter. Clear, children? Are you understanding? Two parallel arrows, two vectors. There are two vectors. This vector A and this is vector B. Both are having same magnitude. The length of these arrows are same. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Both are having same magnitude. Both are pointing same direction. Suppose this is pointing east and this is also pointing east. So both the vectors are having same magnitude and pointing same direction. It means both are same vectors, both are equal vectors. Vector A is equal to vector B. Clear, children? This one first we studied. Two vectors having same magnitude and pointing same direction, same magnitude, same direction, same magnitude, same direction, then they are same vectors, equal vectors. Clear? Second, what we studied? Two vectors, suppose A, this is a vector A having magnitude 3 centimeter. Another vector, suppose this is B vector, this is having 3 centimeter. Okay, here you can see what is the difference. Can you find out the difference by seeing? Can you find out any difference is there? Yes, difference is there. This one you see 3 centimeter magnitude pointing east. Then this is also 3 centimeter only, but it is pointing west, opposite direction. Is it not? So one is pointing east and another is pointing west. One in this direction, then another one another direction. Opposite direction, same magnitude. So two vectors, A vector. Okay, first one is A vector, second one is B vector. So you see both the vectors are having same magnitude but pointing opposite direction. It means both are opposite vectors. So A vector and this is B vector. B vector means minus A vector. Clear? So you can think if this is A vector, this is minus A vector. That is B vector. Clear? This one we studied. Next what we did? Next we studied whenever we multiply a scalar with a vector. Is it now, children? Any scalar means what? A number, constant value. When we multiply with a vector, what happens? Suppose there is a constant value k and there is a vector a. Okay, scalar. K is a scalar, vector, A is a vector. Two are there, one scalar, one vector. Both when we multiply, whenever a scalar is multiplied by a vector, two conditions are there. Is it? Now we discussed now two conditions. First condition is what? Whether K is greater than 0 or not. That scalar value is positive or not. If the scalar value is positive, that time when you multiply k with the vector a, then what is the result come? The result is ka vector, means the magnitude is increases. How much? By k times. Magnitude is increased by k times. Yeah. magnitude increase by k times. Magnitude increase by k times. Suppose k is nothing but 2. So a vector is this and 2a vector is this. Okay, a vector is a vector. Now 2 is a scalar. When multiplied by a vector becomes 2a vectors. So its magnitude increases or not? K times increase, means 2 times increase. And what is the direction? Both are pointing same direction. Clear? But second is what? Suppose k is less than 0. Second condition is k is less than 0, means k is a negative value. Suppose k is equal to -3. When k is multiplied with a vector, then what happens? A vector, suppose this. Then when it is multiplied by a vector, -3, a vector, what happens? You see, first is a vector, now -3a vector. Opposite in direction, direction changes. -3a vector. This is a vector pointing east direction. This is -3a vector pointing west direction. So whenever scalar is multiplied by vector, two condition: scalar whether greater than 0 or scalar whether less than 0. Greater than 0 means it's a positive scalar. Positive, if positive number will multiply by vector, the direction of the vector will remain same. It will not change. Direction will not change, but magnitude increases by k times. Second condition is what? If k is less than 0, means k is a negative value, a negative scalar. So what happens whenever a negative scalar you multiply by vector? What happens? Its direction changes, becomes opposite. Okay. And about the magnitude is what? Magnitude, again, that mode of k times, mode of k, mode of 3. Okay, it means always positive. The magnitude of a vector is always positive. So mode of 3 times it increases. So 3 times increases. Clear now? This all we studied in the last class. Is it not, children? So today what we are going to discuss? Today also very important topic we are going to discuss today. Today is types of vectors. Clear, children? Today we are going to discuss types of vector. So see, children, next is types of vectors. Different types of vectors are there. You can first is equal vectors. Equal vectors means what? Two vectors are said to be equal if they have same magnitude and pointing same direction. Okay, now only we saw in parallel arrows first condition. Just like that, first is equal vectors. Equal vectors. Two vectors are said to be equal when they have same magnitude and both are showing same direction. Got it? So see, take one example. Here there are two vectors are there, vector A and vector B. Okay, see, vector A and vector B, both, suppose this is 2 centimeter and this is also 2 centimeter. So the magnitude of both the vectors, vector A magnitude is 2 centimeter, vector B magnitude is 2 centimeter. Both are equal in magnitude. Now you can see about the direction, both are pointing same direction, both are pointing east direction. So two vectors, if they have same magnitude, same length, same magnitude and both are pointing same direction, then they are known as equal vectors. So vector A is equal to vector B. A vector and B vector are equal vectors. Clear? Understood? Next, second one is like vectors. Like vectors means what? If two vectors having same direction, maybe their magnitude is different but they have same direction, then they are known as like vector. Okay, children, please don't confuse equal and like. Difference is there. Equal vector means magnitude direction both are same. Magnitude and direction both are same, that is equal vectors. But like vectors, not like that. Like vector means what? Direction should be same. Magnitude may be same, may not be same. Okay, suppose there are two vectors, vector A and vector B. Vector A is A vector and vector B is 2A vector. It means vector B is twice of vector A. Clear? This is vector A, this is 2A vector. So this vector is twice of this. If this is 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Double. Okay. So vector B is double of vector A in magnitude. But when you see the direction, both are pointing same direction. So if two vectors both pointing same direction, they are like vectors, rather less of their magnitude. So see, A vector and B vector, A vector, B vector, both are like vectors because although their magnitude are different, but they have same direction. They are like vectors. Clear? Pause above. So next children, next is unlike vectors. Unlike vectors means what? Two vectors are having opposite direction and different magnitude. Any two vectors, okay, direction is opposite, magnitude also different, they are known as unlike vectors. So once remember like vectors. Like vectors is what? Same direction, may be different magnitude. Okay, now like vectors, direction must be same, magnitudes may be different. Like that, unlike vectors, direction is opposite. Okay, magnitude also different. So like or unlike, regardless of the magnitude, you have to see direction. You must see what is important. Direction is important for like and unlike vector. What you have to remember, main direction. If the vectors are having same direction, then they are like vectors. If the vectors are having opposite directions, then they are unlike. Got it? If they have opposite direction, that is unlike vector. See, vector C pointing east direction and vector D pointing west direction. So C and D are unlike vectors. Clear? So you can very easily can find out whether the given vectors are like or unlike. How? You see the direction. If the vectors are having same direction, they are like vectors. If the vectors are having opposite direction, they are unlike. Got it? Next is negative vectors. If two vectors have opposite direction but equal in magnitude, direction must be opposite, equal in magnitude. They are known as negative vectors. See, vector A pointing east. Okay, suppose it is 2 centimeter. Vector minus A pointing west. This is also 2 centimeter. So two vectors pointing opposite direction but equal in magnitude, they are negative vectors. They are negative of each other. Vector A and minus vector A, both are negative vectors. One vector is negative vector of other. Okay, what is a negative vector? They must have equal magnitude but opposite in direction. Clear children? That is called negative vector. We have few more types of vectors, that one we will discuss in the next class. You must write down this. Okay, I hope you are writing in the notes neatly. Subject, date and time you mention and write the notes separately, and these all diagrams also you have to draw. Remember children, vector portion is very important. So please write down this. We will see in the other types of vector in the next class. Thanks for watching.